Hello everyone, I am Andrew, AGM Operations from Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Tirumayam. We are in the field of manufacturing piping components for power plant, oil and gas and nuclear sectors. We will be presenting our case study on quantum leap in productivity in gas cutting and edge preparation of pipes up to 1.4 meter dia and 10 meter long. We have developed a mechanized gas cutting facility for sizing and edge preparation of pipes in-house. This has resulted in quantum jump in productivity by 400%. It also ensures quality and safety in operation and timely delivery of products. To know more about our case study, join the biggest productivity movement in India at National Productivity Summit on 18th and 19th December 2020. Thank you.